Maybe you will recognize this. You want to lose weight. You're motivated. You sign up for a fitness gym. First week, you go 4 times, 1 hour each. You feel really great. Your muscles are sore and you are exhausted from training. The week after that, alright, you skip 1 because the 4th time it was a bit much. 3rd week, alright, I'll go only 2 times this week because work is really busy. 4th week, only 1 time, well, whatever. 5th week, I'm gonna go 3 times again. 6th week, I couldn't make it this week. 7th week, you didn't go. 8th week, you didn't go. 9th week, etc. And you are sponsoring the fitness gym. Do you recognize this? You're not alone. A lot of people I know are struggling with the same things, and it's not your fault. It is really hard to keep motivating yourself without an instructor, without a team, without friends. It's hard. So, if you find yourself struggling, this is my advice. Try to find something you really enjoy. But I don't like to lift weights, I don't enjoy sport. Maybe there's another sport. Maybe you can start figure skating, or maybe curling, or baseball, or whatever, dancing, fighting, whatever sparks a little bit of joy in your heart. Find a club, a good coach, nice people where you feel accepted, and I promise you it will be so much easier to keep up with your training, stay motivated, meet new people with likewise mindsets because you're doing things you all enjoy doing. So start thinking for a few minutes what you really enjoy, try to find a sport that matches your interests, and start losing that weight.